Hello all, welcome to NSA Maths. Today we are going to start unit number 3, higher order differential equation. So what are the contents of these units? In this unit we are going to learn homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear differential equation of nth order and its solution. Also we are going to learn method of variation of parameter, then operator method for particular integral, and the solution of certain types of linear differential equation, that is we are going to solve the Cauchy's and Legendre differential equation in this unit. Now after learning this unit, you will be able to solve higher order linear differential equation, in short we can say LDE, with constant coefficients. Also you will be able to apply the method of variation of parameter, in short we can say VOP, to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation with constant coefficients. After learning this unit, you will be able to convert Cauchy's and Legendre differential equation to linear differential equation, in short we can say LD, with constant coefficients. These are some learning outcomes of these units. Now we start the first topic of our unit, homogeneous and non-homogeneous differential equation of nth order. So first of all we see the definition of linear differential equation. Definition of linear differential equation, we can say LDE. So an equation of the type, an equation of the form or of the type a0 d raised to n y upon dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 y upon dx raised to n plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 y upon dx raised to n minus 2 plus dot dot dot, then an minus 2 dy by dx plus any is equals to f of x. This is a nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficients, is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now we can convert this differential equation in the simple form. For that we are going to put capital D is equals to d by dx, capital D square is equals to d square by dx square, and so on. After using this substitution, see here a0 as it is. Now value of d raised to n upon dx raised to n we can write here. For that capital D raised to n into this y as it is, plus a1 into d raised to n minus 1 upon dx raised to n minus 1. For that we can use capital D raised to n minus 1 into this y as it is, plus a2 into d raised to n minus 2 upon dx raised to n minus 2. For that we can use d raised to n minus 2, capital D raised to n minus 2 into this y as it is, plus dot dot dot, plus an minus 2. Now this d by dx, for that we are going to use capital D into this y as it is, plus the last term is any is equals to f of x. Now so all term contains the y, so we can take y outside, so we will get a0 d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 an minus 2 d plus an into y is equals to f of x. Now for this bracket term, this is actually polynomial in terms of d. So that polynomial is a0 d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 an minus 2d plus an. We simply call it as, it is a function, so we simply call it as a function of d, that is phi of d. We use the notation of function, that is phi. So this is a function of d, that is called phi of d, into this y is equals to f of x. This is a simplest form to write a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now in this, if value of f of x is not equal to 0, then phi of d into y is equals to f of x is called non-homogeneous differential equation. And if value of f of x is equals to 0, then phi of d into y is equals to 0 is called homogeneous differential equation. That means if right hand side is non-zero in given differential equation, then we call it as a non-homogeneous differential equation. And if right hand side term, that means f of x is 0, then we call it as a homogeneous differential equation. Now this phi of d is equals to a0 d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus dot 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 an minus 2 into d plus a, and this is value of phi of d is called auxiliary polynomial. This is called auxiliary polynomial. Then phi of b, value of phi of d is equals to 0. Then this equation is called auxiliary equation. If value of phi of d is equals to 0, then this equation is called auxiliary equation. The roots of this auxiliary equation, the complementary function. The roots of auxiliary equation gives complementary function. So these are some basic concepts of linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now we will learn about the solution of this linear differential equation. General solution. So what is general solution of this linear differential equation? So general solution contains two parts. Our general solution of linear differential equation phi of d into y is equals to f of x. It contains two parts. Which are the two parts? First part is CF, or we can say complementary function, and second part is particular integral. In short, we can say PF. So to calculate the general solution of this equation phi of d into y is equals to f of x, we require to find complementary function and particular integral. Then after finding this, we will get general solution. That means value of y is equals to CF plus pi. That means when you add this complementary function and particular integral, then only you will get the general solution for this differential equation phi of d into y is equals to f of x. Then in next video, we will learn how to find this complementary function for a given differential equation. Thank you.